Making, to me, it's really cool because it allows me to take like abstract ideas in the mind, make those physical. We are currently in ProtoWorks, the premier makerspace of the entrepreneurship community. At MIT, there's a tradition where by the time you're a sophomore, there's this event where when you get your class ring, it's called the brass rat. I was talking to my friend, and eventually I realized that my friend didn't have a brass rat. It came down to just like the cost was too high. One of the first things I did was to take out my computer, design like this brass rat by myself. And I thought about different ways to make this, and the most accessible and affordable and scalable way to make this was by just 3D printing it. The makerspaces are important to allow people to bring out their creative side. I mean, we live in the physical world, and this space, this room right here, represents the bridge between the physical world and like your idea. My name is Wei. I am a mechanical engineer, class of 2019, and I am a maker.